Okay, I've got this piece of oak that I'm getting ready to turn. It's got, you can see it's loose bark here and right there also. So I don't know how well it's going to stick, but we'll see. I've got this dark area, so I'm guessing it's going to have some black spalting, you know. This edge here has been ripped, it's been split and ripped off, so we'll see how that looks. So my intent right now, you can see this sticks out quite a bit, so I'm going to machine this flat. This side is pretty coplanar, so it should be pretty good. Okay. Watch this slow-mo of me cutting my finger where you don't actually see it get cut. It occurs in the 4 milliseconds between frames. And you can see my reaction, but you can't see the actual cut. Okay, I'm getting ready to do a little bit more machining. What I think I'm going to do is I want to leave this torn surface on top. I may remove some of this stuff, but not. But my intent, though, is to cut deeper in, starting here down, and leave this top inch or inch and a half, depending on how it looks this end versus that end. But this will be deeper, and my intent here is to bring this in until this is almost a circle here, and leave this sticking out. Now I may cut back on this once I get the bottom done and decide this sticks out too far or something, but in any case, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Okay, I changed my mind exactly what I was going to do here. I said I was going to round this up to here, but I decided to only round it so it's completely round right here. But then this will be exposed natural edge, then the curve of what I'm doing here, and the same on this side. And it's pretty symmetrical. I got it pretty balanced out. The depth here is about the same as the depth right here. Then additionally, I'm going to leave this out some distance. I may cut this back a little bit more, and it obviously needs some sanding. It's got some deep features that I would like to get rid of. And there's some bark right there that I want to get rid of since it's only like a half a square inch. And then I'm going to leave the top rough. You can't really see it in these views, but it's there. You can tell it from that. You can see all that torn edge. Now, I don't know, I might pull this out, especially when I have hollowed the inside out. This will probably not be attached anymore, so that piece will probably go away. I mean, I could probably pull it off now, but I'll wait until I cut more. But in any case, I think I'm pretty close. I'm going to try and smooth this surface a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I've got it all finished on the bottom. I haven't put a coat of finish on, that'll be next. But it's basically from here down, it's good. I've got to form the dish and sand up the cracked area, see what it looks like. You can see the natural edge here, the machined edge here. I don't have any bark on this, so I guess there's no live edge. There's some nice spalting in here, just wood changing colors, so that's why I kind of left it as far out as I was. I originally intended to make it smaller, but then I would have had to take more of these wings off. So I think I like it this way. I mean, obviously the diameter of the bowl is somewhat less than that diameter right there. So that's where I am. Watch this slow-mo of the bowl flying off the lathe. Well, I'm going to have to make a tenon, or a mortise. And it's not going to be a tapered mortise because I'm going to just drill in a 2.1 inch depth hole and go just where I removed this, because I obviously didn't go deep enough when I made this tenon. And it's just not holding. And as you can see, I'm not quite there on the inside. I got to go quite a bit deeper. So we'll see what happens. Here's my new mortise. I just drilled it in. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to get it mounted on here. Well, my center is not quite exactly where it was, so it's going to be reset. But I think it's going to be okay. Okay, here is a spalted oak branch from a oak tree that was damaged in not the recent hurricanes, but the year or so hurricanes. And you can see what I left here was all the torn, where something was torn off. This top side is all that exposed area. The branch is centered down here somewhere. And it has some nice spalting inside. I left the exposed natural edge on the left, near and far side there. The turned ends are here and at the far end of that, and you can see the bark has a lot, or not the bark, but the wood has a nice shape from where it was torn. I sanded that with my Sandiflex to get the roughness out of it so it feels nice and smooth. And then this is finished with tried and true oil. It turned out really nice. It's different. I think I've been lately making a few bowls that have some torn area, so that's where I am. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.